Hello, I'm Crafty Andy. If you like what you see here, you can find more at the CraftyArts channel, sharing stories and commentary, live streams at the Rotten A Creations channel, art prints are for sale at the online store, digital downloads at Patreon, some really weird stuff at the Weird Source channel. You like video games with talking animals and talking humans? Then the Pause Off channel is where you want to go, or you can subscribe here if you like to see how things unfold. Whatever. Thank you.
Can stay right here, we will play until somehow you can find a slightly different frame of mind. Right here in my arms, away from all harm, you'll be safe from all the flares, although I know you don't care. Take a deeper breath and give it time. You can walk the path along the lines with your shattered frame of mind. Or instead you could always stay. We can wait right here and play until somehow you can find a slightly better frame of mind.
Baseline. yes, I'm grooving.
Baseline kicking, yes, I'm grooving. Yes, I'm grooving.
Yes, I'm grooving.